First, the top news headlines. Former Finance Minister Arun Jaitley no more. Northeast's biggest ever drug haul, drug worth rupees 410 crore recovered in Manipur. And Shyam Kumar inaugurates public pay and use toilet complex at Jiribam Imam Market. Hello and good evening. I'm ONEL Sambandram giving you the Times of Manipur English news. Now the news in details. Former Finance Minister and senior BJP leader Arun Jaitley passed away at the age of 66 today, a week after he was admitted to AIIMS following complaints of breathlessness and restlessness. Jaitley has been admitted to the intensive care unit at the All India Institute of Medical Science on August 9 and had been declared hemodynamically stable. A hemodynamically stable patient has a stable heart pump and good blood circulation. The authorities at AIIMS did not issue any bulletin on Jaitley's health condition since August 9. Arun Jaitley was unwell for a large part of the last 2 years. In 2018, Arun Jaitley underwent a kidney transplant surgery, following which he was put under isolation. Arun Jaitley was seen as the Prime Minister's go-to man. He was the one to take on the responsibilities of temporarily handling ministries other than his primary portfolio of finance. As Finance Minister, Arun Jaitley presented all of the Narendra Modi government's 1.0's budgets. However, due to his ill health, he was unable to present the 2019 interim budget. After the Bharatiya Janata Party's victory in the 2014 Lok Sabha election, Arun Jaitley wrote to Prime Minister Narendra Modi requesting that he not be given any responsibilities in the new government as he wanted to focus on his health. A lawyer by profession, Arun Jaitley was among the leaders who were jailed by the Indira Gandhi government during the emergency. He was a student leader at the time. Arun Jaitley also served on the Atal Bihari Vajpayee cabinet between 2009 and 2019 when the BJP sat in the opposition benches. Arun Jaitley served as the leader of the opposition in the Rajya Sabha. Arun Jaitley is survived by his wife and 2 children. Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Y. Khemchand today condoled the untimely demise of former Union Minister Arun Jaitley. In his condolence message, Khemchand said that Arun Jaitley's death is an irreplaceable loss to Indian politics and extended his heartfelt condolences to the bereaved family. In the biggest ever drug haul in the northeast Manipur, police seized suspected contraband WY tablets worth rupees 400 crore. A combined team of Thoubal police led by Superintendent of Police Dr. S. Ibomcha, backed by Paudel Kairembi Youth Club and Panthoibi Women Welfare Association, Paudel Kairembi intercepted a Tata 207 DI which was moving in a suspicious manner at around 1:10 am at Paudel Kairembi Mathaklaikai. On preliminary questioning of the driver Mohammed Hussain, aged 35 years, son of Jakir Hussain of Thoubal Wangkhem Muslim Mamang Lekai, it was suspected that some narcotics substances were kept concealed inside the vehicle. Due to darkness and unfriendly location, members of Paudel Kairembi Youth Club, Paudel Kairembi and Panthoibi Women Welfare Association took the driver along with the vehicle to Thoubal Police Station for proper verification and checking. Later at around 6 am, the combined team detected 40 lakh weighing 400 kgs of suspected contraband WY tablets in neatly prepared groups inside each roll carpet, and each packet contained 2,000 numbers of suspected WY tablets. Later, a combined team of police led by Superintendent of Police Thoubal rushed to Imphal International Airport and arrested Kaukau Nyang alias Abdul Rahim, aged 33 years, son of Abdul Jabbar of Kaumu village, Myanmar. Kaukau, an international drug smuggler, was arrested with rupees 60,000 Indian currency, 15 numbers of 100 denomination US dollars, one 500 kyat, 2 mobile handsets, passport and other documents. The drug lord has been actively smuggling contraband substances in Myanmar, India and Bangladesh, police said. From further disclosure, two other Muhammad Ayub Khan, aged 41 years, son of late Muhammad Azizur Rahman of Yaripok Wangkhem, and Muhammad Abdul Razak, aged 35 years, son of Muhammad Abdul Halim of Yaripok Tulihal, who were facilitating in the transport of the narcotic substances, were also arrested. The whole operation led to one of the biggest seizures of suspected WY tablets in the northeast India went off successfully as planned, including the follow-up arrest under the direct supervision of Inspector General of Police John 1 Clay Khongsai. Thobal Police has registered a case over the drug seizure for further legal action. Meanwhile, in another major drug bust, the anti-smuggling unit of Customs Division Imphal says 10 kgs of WY tablets worth rupees 10 crore and arrested one peddler for possessing the contraband item during operation. The operation, which was carried out at Lilong Mairenkun Makhalekai, Thobal district last evening, was led by Superintendent of Anti-Smuggling Unit of Customs Division Imphal, P. Robin. The peddler was identified as Hefazuddin, aged 23 years, resident of Lilong Mairenkun Makhalekai, Thobal district. The contraband drugs were found hidden in 10 separate packets containing 10,000 pieces of WY tablets each. Hefazuddin has been booked under the relevant section of the NDPS Act 1985 for further investigation. During a press meet held at Customs Office, Chingmairong, Superintendent P. Robin said Manipur, being located on the international border, drug abuse and smuggling in the state is on the rise.
Manipur si transition oi bu oi ra ba si and purti brahmade lakan manipur chalaga dimapur hauraga si Bangladesh gi Bombay Delhi da mayana party drugs haina hoi world is yours hai khana ba masi Manipur su am sa ba yaw haina tai koina ari record ki matu ina yam pha ba yam gre ba police na pha ba nam na pha ba koina pha ji even more police more custom na pha ba jana kinna khar saw na pha
Mahud Minister T. Shyamkumar today inaugurated a public pay-and-use toilet complex at Imma Market located at Babupara, Ward No. 4, Jiribam district. The toilet complex has been built by Manipur Police Housing at an estimated cost of rupees 55 lakh under the Swachh Bharat mission. Besides Minister T. Shyamkumar, today's function was attended by Chairperson of Jiribam Municipal Council S. Santi Devi, Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited K. Sharad Kumar, Additional Deputy Commissioner ADC Jiribam Hanjabam Bobby Sharma, and Superintendent of Police Jiribam Moirangthem Mubi as main guests. Minister Shyamkumar stressed on the importance of maintaining cleanliness at home as well as in public places.
Ina carrying out to the higher policy, my army is a Kanga. There's still a pocket must a sign the color sinner get away. As one of the Kolam to so, going to Riva, give us a yam, the Madu, Chairperson, Muslim, the way Hivening, Madu Madu was Harasana, the way on the missing Mr. Hinagan, and the budget of Hapakanta, those Haragan and has a way, find the top was dismantled to Bugi, or the Mupira Gata, to Varaka of Pagana.
We are having a short break, but coming up, body of R. Chungamliu finally claimed by JAC and family. More after the break.
Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Haripriya Chongrang giving you news in
Hana na fanglamba kang lafut ki product singi mathakta anuba product sing haibadi Milky Balls asomya mixture amadi alubuji ana chingmasing asi hauzik iramdam gi kaithel da fangle kangla gi anawa product sing asi mayamsu amungtang mahaw yingbi
Kangla napi singnang hoba mafamsing matam changhandana sengdokpa aduda sunatana singkup chana kaklaba napi na leibak lehauk su phagat hanba yare achauba sanabungi napi changmanana kakpagi damak waningai leitre sijinabiu grass cutter amadi mulcher awaimal pungda lupa lising amaga chamnga contact tobiu Manipur Farm Hotel near Sainik School Impal Manipur gilabuk sing sangalasi chahi chupa
Salai Holdings Private Limited na leibak miyam da khangan jaba Salai Holdings Private Limited ki Honorable Chairman and Managing Director Dr. Narengbam Samarjit Singh masa hujik business trip ki damakta Salai gi overseas company sing yengchin bagalone na tongan ba pipeline da leiriba tongan ba country sing da tanatana India amadi maruoina Northeast ki oina Manipur yauna paket kadaba mega project sing adu gi damakta overseas bank singa stakeholder oiminabagi maruoiba meeting sing yauba amadi meeting sing conduct toba satkibana maram oiraga tongan ba club CSO lanai gi furupki lining gi amadi culture ga mari lena ba khudimagna Salai gi lusing Purel Oibiribana Halaktri Faubutang Haibining ba Tambining Makudimak Ngaibina ba Miyam the Nolukchari Nolukna Haijari ba Board of Directors Salai Holdings Private Limited
Steel, a product of German quality and innovation. Manipur ahanba oina steel company ki authorized dealer KD Enterprises ta gasoline, electric amadi battery ki khuthang da chalaiba yaraba outdoor power tools khudimak phangbiragani. Hairiba singdadi cut off machine, mist blower, petrol lawn mowers, handheld blowers, brush cutter, chainsaw, art auger, high pressure washer cleaners, battery head steamer, cordless strop shears, intercultivator, power weeder, power tiller, the steel cordless pole pruners. For more details, please contact KD Enterprises, Changangai Uchekon, Tidim Road Airport, Imphal West. Mobile number 961-260-7378 natraga 700-562-3082. Ekhogi email kdenterprises2019uchekon@gmail.com.
Loan available only for power tiller.
Welcome back. The Joint Action Committee against the suspicious death of R. Chungamliu of Duithanjang Khopum of Nonne district today finally claimed the body of late Chungamliu from the mortuary of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal after an understanding was reached yesterday between Chief Minister N. Biren and the JAC. As per reports, her body will be taken to her native village for the last rites to be performed according to Jalirong customary law. However, the JAC warned of a series of hesitation if the Manipur government does not fulfill their demands at the earliest. A team of United People's Front Manipur today paid an inspection visit to Thoubal District Hospital. In this regard, Front President W. Second, who led the team, said that during the visit they met the medical superintendent of the hospital, CH Memcha, and other staff members and discussed over various issues facing the hospital. Marine People's Forum MPF Chandal District has strongly condemned Uipo Maro Kokardo UMK for what it said making false allegations against the member of steering committee GPRN Uppa Angaikam Makunga through local newspapers. According to a press statement from MPF today, Uppa Akaigam Makunga is a respected leader of Naga. MPF accused UMK for being irresponsible and warned the organization to remove any items belonging to the Marine people from official and unofficial websites. Retired Justice Chinandakumar today launched a new website of Manipur Lok Ayukta in his office chamber at 2nd MR North AOC Imphal in the presence of media persons and officials of Lok Ayukta and NIC Manipur. This was informed in a press release today from Manipur Lok Ayukta office. Armed Forces Ex-Servicemen Welfare Association Thoubal today celebrated its third Foundation Day at the Multipurpose Community Hall of Thoubal Achoba. Retired Lieutenant General Konsum Himalay, President of AFESWA Thoubal, retired Wing Commander AK Devendra Singh, Lieutenant Colonel Lian of 26 Assam Rifles, Thoubal, and Commandant of 26 Assam Rifles, Yaripok Post, Major Suraj Oinam attended the event as main guest. Retired Lieutenant General Konsum Himalay said that central government sponsored 75% while the state government contributed only 25% in the forming of Jila Sainik Board. He added that Manipur lags far behind other states in providing welfare schemes to ex-servicemen. He also drew the attention of the concerned authority to work on easing the hardships of ex-servicemen in the region. The function was also attended by retired armed forces personnel of Thoubal district and wives of deceased personnel. Phayeng Gram Panchayat, in collaboration with Don Bosco School Phayeng, organized a cleanliness program cum tree plantation program at Phayeng Umang this morning. More than 150 students along with Phayeng Gram Panchayat members and Pradhan joined the program. Talking to TOMTV, headmaster of Don Bosco School Phayeng, Don Bosco Angom, underlined the objective of the event is spreading awareness to tourists and residents on proper disposal of waste materials in the area.
These plastics are degradable, and if we are not going to remove this one, the century-old forest of our village will one day surely be no more. And with this, a lot of sickness and other things will arise. And in order to avoid all these things and to save the environment and the villages, we are giving awareness to the people here, and we are giving a drive of cleanliness with this one. By keeping the surrounding clean, we can save the future, we can save the environment. This is what we are planning and what we are doing. And I was also quite happy and appreciate with my students when we are taking lessons. They were about the cleanliness and about the global warming. They were really wanting to collect and give the drive at this space because it is a tourist place.
Believing on the principles of cleanliness is next to godliness, Phayeng Gram Panchayat, in collaboration with the Phayeng Don Bosco School students, carried out a cleanliness drive here at the Phayeng Umang. The students are very interested in cleaning out the dust materials like the water bottles and the wine bottles and dispo plates and everything, which has been lying in the Phayeng Umang for the past many months and many years. They drew the attention of every visitors and tourists in order to maintain the system of maintaining the proper dustbin, and also to use the dustbin accordingly as after the tourists and visitors are visiting the park. With camera person Rolibin, this is Blessing Yangmai for TOMTV News, Umang Phayeng.
The Industrious Students Association cum Library Home Kongpal celebrated its 55th Foundation Day at the association office located at Kongpal, Lai Hidden, Imphal East. On the occasion, floral tributes were paid to the departed founder members of the association.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯉꯣꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯍꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯜꯒꯤ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯍꯤꯡꯅꯅꯕ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯒ ꯐꯥꯎꯟꯗꯦꯁꯟ ꯗꯦꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ.
Another quick break, but coming up, Dr. K.H. Chinglen Singh fated. More after the break.
Gunamani Eye Clinic is looking for qualified, young and energetic applicants for the following post: optometrist, x-ray technician, clinical assistant or nursing staff. Interested candidates can apply for the above post with their biodata and certificates before 26th August 2019 between 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Interview will be held on 27th August 2019 at 2:30 p.m. Gunamani Eye Clinic, Wangkai Kaithel Asangbi, Imphal East.
Kangla food product ti iram dong gi aseng ma mahong yeng dio garlic mixer khatana tana kangla gi no food item singi mahong kangla bada ngauroi do kana bu leibu kangla
Manipur ihan hanbo oina lamjingba jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tobagi khudong chaba pijari.
ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯅꯥꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯂꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯏꯂꯤꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯃꯔꯤꯛ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯑꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯦꯠ क्वालिटी ꯑꯃꯗꯤ क्वांटिटीꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯂꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯝꯖꯤꯡꯕ ꯖ꯭ꯋꯦꯂꯔꯤꯅ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯍꯧ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯅꯥ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯦꯡꯉꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯣꯛꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯀꯨꯞꯄ ꯃꯔꯣꯜꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯂꯝꯖꯤꯡꯕ ꯖ꯭ꯋꯦꯂꯔꯤꯗ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯛꯎ
Lamjingba Jewelry. Good quality is our priority.
Studio 11, India's favorite salon and spa, now at Imphal. Our services are haircut, hair straightening, global color, body spa, hair spa, waxing, threading, facial and treatment, hand and feet care, makeup. Body massage. Studio 11, Salon and Spa Imphal. Look fabulous. Fitness World Building, Singzamai Mathak Chongtham Laikai, Imphal West. Phone number 0385 2440
Welcome back. Self-Employment Voluntary Association Seba Manipur organized a warm reception ceremony for Dr. K.H. Chinglin Singh, who has got a doctorate degree from the International Peace University, Germany. The reception ceremony was organized by Seva Manipur at the conference hall of Seva Babupura, Imphal. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. K.H. Chinglin said that the award was conferred on him for his relentless social work for the interest of the poor.
Social work to keep my am say. Aduna award si hekta phangde akoi award si national international amadi state award ai 54 award asigi mamangda phangre aga doctorate si aigi award mayam phangkiba funder singi recommendation phajana pirakpa kayam phajana tawge haiba nataba business motive ta tawba nataba pura parja gi nongda katho tawba adugi du da pirakpani.
Social worker and managing director of RK Fortune Private Limited, RK Rameshwar of Changangai, today handed over 2 water pump sets and water pipes to Water Supply Committee of Patsoi Part 2. The water supply reservoir at Patsoi Part 2, Makhalikai, had gone dry due to scanty rainfall. The members of Water Supply Committee lauded Rameshwar for his noble gesture. A mass tree plantation program was conducted in and around the surrounding areas of Hairibob, Haikru foothills of Langtabal, Puramakong under Nauria, Pakhanglakpa constituency. Today's program was attended by local MLA Soibam Shobhas Chandra, Hyangthang Jila Parisat member Sarangthem Ongbi, Silashana Pradhan of Langtabal, Ningombam Gram Panchayat, Nongmaikapam, Ganga and several residents. Around 1,000 saplings were planted during the program. Sarangthem Silasana said that the tree plantation program was also a part of MGNREGS.
Oirinaba honabada aikoigi khunja singe aikoibada leiba joka holder jing ngasi thawai yaun honaibe je masigi damakta soi lekai sigi amadi lamdam sigi praja sing dai thagat bemadi nungai bedu phongdok chari aduna aikoi na ngasi malemgi afam khuding makta mahoksa gi khan kairek libe se aikoi sarkar namadi department na masing langamdana honariba se masigi manung chan aikoi narega da scheme masi hapaga program masi hapaga aikoi usar gi program masi thabik program se pangdok chabani
holder singa tanadana tawbuda aikoi ngasai upambi sing kharadi thaba tharasi haiduna majda thajabane dubu ngasi gi thariba pambi sing asi ayambana aikoi da chaba yaba pambi ngakta oina aikoi gi sorfol haikru haining sampra aduga yongsak sugumba aikoi da su haidi income gi source leijaba yaba adugumba pambi makhalsi khalla kalda aikoi gi joker holder singna tawraga madi ai isamak yauna madi pradhan yauna adu honorable MLA yawbiramaga madi member singa corporation tawnara kalda sumaina thajabani.
Well, on to some international news. Hong Kong shut 4 subway stations to head off an anti-government protest in a gritty industrial district today, but thousands marched anyway as China released a British consulate staffer whose detention had helped fuel tension. The offshore airport and the roads and railways leading to it were operating normally despite plans by protesters to implement a stress test of transport links and disrupt traffic after weeks of unrest in Chinese-ruled city. Authorities had taken out a court order to prevent demonstrations at the airport, which was forced to close for part of last week after protesters trounced the main terminal for several days, grounding around 1,000 flights and occasionally clashing with police. US President Donald Trump wants to hear from Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the Prime Minister's plan to reduce tension in Kashmir. The President will likely want to hear from Prime Minister Modi on how he plans to reduce regional tensions and uphold respect for human rights for Kashmir as part of India's role as the world's largest democracy. Earning a dream Grand Slam debut for himself, Indian tennis player 22 years old Sumit Nagal sets up the US Open first round clash against one of the greatest players of all time, Roger Federer, on Monday. Early on Friday, Nagal defeated Brazil's João Menezes in the final qualifying round of the championship. Now it's time for the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Excess amount found drawn for building helipad. Manipur University to recover rupees 19 lakh from contractor. 7th Eco Census launched in Imphal East. Airport Authority of India to donate rupees 4.94 crores to Jennings. Police excesses condemned. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur intensifies staying. Boycott Railways project from September 6 called rung out. The People's Chronicle. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur threatens to ban railway project. Memorandum of Agreement signed to procure Jennings kits under Airport Authority of India Corporate Social Responsibility. Many flare police action. Back Chungamlui JSC. Relay hunger strike continues. Rally taken out. Imphal Free Press. DDK Imphal Program Executive accused of raping staff on multiple accounts. Rights group urges DGP for immediate arrest. Accident Trauma Center Jennings receives funding from Airport Authority of India. Time for left parties to reconnect and join hands with masses, says Nara. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee to ban railway projects. Let us pledge to plant trees, says Letpao. Manipur Mail. Governor wants cold storage facilities to help pineapple farmers. Corporate conclave next month, says CM. Syam Kumar inspects Bamboo Nursery Center.
And before we wind up the top news headlines once again. Former Finance Minister Arun Jaitley no more. Northeast's biggest ever drug haul, drug worth rupees 410 crore recovered in Manipur. And Syam Kumar inaugurates public pay and use toilet complex at Jiribam Imam Market. That's all for now. Stay tuned to Times of Manipur.